Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you my setup and some of the materials and tools that I'll be using for the self-portrait drawing workshop that's going to be this Saturday. And remember, you don't have to have any of them. Come with whatever you have. But in case you do, and also just for the setup, so you can be as prepared as possible so we can really do the best work we can, right? So this is my setup right now. I'm working on an easel, and I have a mirror on the left, a mirror up above. The mirror up above it's gonna be easier if you've never done one before, or if you're kind of new to drawing faces, because you'll just be straight on. And you wanna be in a position, the reason why it's above the easel, I've found over time that this is actually a really efficient way of working, because you just look down and then you look up, look down, look up, and you don't move your face. Like, you want to just be moving your eyes. And to be working from a 3/4, which would be like a mirror on the side, it's a little bit more challenging, but if you want to challenge yourself, go for it. But you also want to just be moving your eyes. Just be moving your eyes and not your face, right? So ideally you don't want to be working flat. You want to be working on an easel also. I'll explain why. If you do have a maul stick, you could also use a broomstick or whatever, but you'll see, I'll tell you what that's used for if you don't know already. It's a very handy little tool. Also over here, here are some of my materials that I'm gonna be using. And here we have some vine charcoal. The vine charcoal is, it's very soft and very nice to work with, very easy to erase. I also have a charcoal pencil here. This is a soft one, but whatever you have. A white charcoal pencil, very important for working on toned paper. Also have some chalk, like this is just regular blackboard chalk and compressed artist chalk. And then there's some erasers. I have it's like this kneadable eraser. This is also an eraser that could be useful depending on what you're working with. This is sandpaper for sanding. When I sharpen the pencils, see how they're sharpened a little bit more than, like you would get with a normal sharpener. I'll show you how to do this too, but you need like a straight edge knife, kind of like this, and some sandpaper to be able to really make that effective. And then the paper that I'm working on is also, this is a watercolor paper, so it's kind of thick, or multimedia kind of paper is nice too. And then I have like a little bit of tape on the back. I don't like to tape across the front because it can kind of tear off the front layer sometimes. That's taped to a piece of foam core or something kind of like that, and primed with some acrylic, burnt sienna, and or it could be any color, anything that you want to work on. And that's basically what we're going to be doing. And we're going to start right in the beginning with the drawing. So we're going to have like a full session, no presentation this time. So let's get into it, and bring whatever you have. Even if you have just like a pencil and paper, come, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot, and we'll have a lot of fun. So see you soon.